Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys the simplest way to make pom-pom. To begin, get any color wool of your choice and then put 2 strands of wool at the middle of the fork. Wrap around the fork for 40 times. After that, tie to secure the wool to avoid unraveling. At this point, take the 2 strands of wool already on the fork and then tie firmly the woolen design. When you are done with that, cut the circumference of the wool and then trim it. Continue trimming until you get the pom-pom texture and the desired shape. For this video, I'm making round pom-pom. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video if you have not done so. Thanks for watching, see you all soon.